How to log in into Dayforce account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Dayforce account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar, type in Dayforce login. Press enter in your keyboard. Now, from the search results, head over to the first link on your interface. Then you'll be taken into login page. Here, all the fields are required to fill up. So first of all, you have to enter your company. Under that, you have to enter the username associated with your Dayforce account. Under that, type in your correct password. In case if you are not able to access your account or if you forgot your username or password, there is a link provided here. You can click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Once you're done typing in your login credentials associated with your account, now you have to click on login button in order to get logged in. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.